Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. I wanted to show you something. I'm cleaning off my desk. I have a lot of new subscribers. And so I wanted to show something very simple, very, not that big of the deal. So it's going to be quick. But I have a piece of kids foam. This is a real thin piece. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. You can get these at Michael's, Joann's, all the things. And I'm just going to use this. And one of my favorite things to do are circles. Now you can use... Let me do this before I can show you. You see, this is a circle. We can use that. Like, you can vary the circles. You can do whatever way you want to do it. So, I'm going to heat this with, if you don't have a heat gun, just use your hair dryer. Take it in the bathroom. Or always go to your thrift store, Goodwill. They always have them there for a couple bucks. It really does help things dry faster. So, I'm going to heat it. And I'm going to turn it over and heat it here. Just back and forth. Don't hold it in one place. Okay. Always have this in ready. Do you know what I mean? And then we're just going to push. And push. And push. And you could put, underneath, if you want. I'm not going to necessarily a pattern, but, and the thicker ones are better, but these are doable. Okay. And you can see there's indentation. Look at that. And then I'm going to take, let's pray to the gods this one works. Sometimes they don't. I don't think this will because I'm out of them. I know I got new ones, but I don't want to, this is why my things are like this. But anyway, you can see the pattern, right? Now, you know what would be fun is if you're doing an ATC or something to that effect, you can do this and use the foam and attach it in some way, or a butterfly, whatever. But let's see if this is going to show enough. You can obviously see. And then, if you're using, I don't know, mixed media piece, ATC card, whatever, put it down. Push it real good. And I like to just take something over it because my hands are shit. Okay. Just push it. Okay. We're going to lift her up. Ba-da-da. The excitement's making me choke. Look. Now, I have a brand new stamp. And you can get cardboard from your Amazon boxes, whatever. And you can, cut these into pieces, glue them on there. So maybe you want like a little bit more of substance when you're pushing it down. But look at that. Quick freaking stamp. Hello. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I can sit and do these all day if you'd like to. I have a million different designs I do. Be kind to each other today, please. And let me know what you guys think. I know a lot of you already know this. And I've done this a million times. But, something cool, something different, something exciting. I love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.